So I needed a program to remove the background from images and save them in a specific folder for my YouTube videos. But I was too lazy to code it by myself. I wanted to use AI. But different models can write more or less reliable code. It is a big hassle to ask the same questions multiple times to different AIs from different tabs. It is not like I can have access to all those models in the same place, right? Well, you wouldn't believe it. I found a gem that made my life so much easier. It is called ChatLLM by Abacus AI. The link is in the description. Let me show you what it can do. First, you will have access to all of the powerful AI models out there. You have different variations like ChatGPT 5.4, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Claude Opus 4.6, Grok 4, DeepSeek, and more. You can choose any model you want. And if you find the model is not performing well, you can change it in the same chat, which is awesome by itself. This is a massive lifesaver. But the biggest bingo is Root LLM. What it does is it dynamically finds the right AI model based on your query. For example, when I casually greet it, it chooses Gemini 3 Flash, which is fast and cheap. But when I told it to generate an algorithm to check if a number is prime, it chose GPT-5, which is smarter and more reliable. And when I asked another question about the algorithm, it went back to Gemini 3 Flash as it is faster for conversation. All of this while keeping all the previous messages from other models. There are a lot of tools you gotta check out by yourself. Just click the link in the description. It has Nano Banana Pro, Flux, Seedream, Midjourney to generate top-notch images. Also, you can humanize any answer with just one click. It also offers text-to-speech and more tools. Another thing I can't leave without mentioning is the Abacus Deep Agent. This Deep Agent can literally do anything. For example, I asked them to make a presentation about cryptography, and look what it has done. It first did a full-on research on that topic, and then made the presentation for the targeted audience with a beautiful design that I could never. And we can preview the presentation straight from the web. As I said, you can use it to do anything you might or might not need. For example, let's create an app with a great UI and UX to check whether a number is prime or not. You can see what instructions I gave. Also, told the agent to find ideas to improve the UI. It asked me for confirmation and did everything else by itself, and it did. And of course, we can preview it from the web page and deploy it for free and see how sick it is. You can connect to external services for a better ecosystem. For example, Google Drive, OneDrive, or different databases. You can also invite your team members to work together and manage them. ChatLLM by Abacus AI is cheaper than paying for each LLM separately. It's only $10 a month. Visit chatllm.abacus.ai or click the link in the description and pinned comment. That being said, just go and check it out by yourself. And thanks to Abacus AI for sponsoring this channel.